Hey guys, today I want to talk about how to know if you're choosing the right private label products for your Shopify store. One of the biggest problems that most people face as to why they don't start their own private label brand and business is because they don't know what products to sell. So in this video, I'm going to help you to choose the right private label products for your Shopify business. So if you want to learn exactly what you should look for to ensure that you're picking the right products, then make sure you watch this entire video. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying on this video. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to start and run their own e-commerce businesses. So if you've always wanted to start and grow your own e-commerce brand and business, then I highly recommend that you get subscribed to my channel because I'm always putting out great quality content to teach you exactly how to do that. Okay, with that said, let me show you exactly how to know if you're choosing the right private label product to sell on your store. Okay guys, so the first way to know if you're choosing the right product to private label to sell on your store is of course to analyze the benefits that the product brings to the marketplace. So you want to make sure that any product you do decide to private label offers a ton of benefits to the target consumer. So there are a series of questions that you should ask yourself about a product before you go ahead and private label that product, and these questions will help you to determine the benefits of that product and if it's a worthwhile product for you to go ahead and sell. So the first question is, how many benefits does this product bring to my target customer? You want to make sure that you have at least one benefit, but the more benefits the better. Products that offers more than one benefit to a target consumer tends to do a lot better than products that offer one benefit. If your product only have one clear-cut benefit, it must be a very meaningful benefit for the target consumer for them to actually take action and want to get that product in their hands. So I highly recommend that you ask yourself, how will this product improve the life of my target customer? And if you can answer that question with a clear-cut answer and with a clear benefit, then you may have a very good candidate of a product that you could go ahead and private label to sell on your Shopify store. The second way to know if you're choosing the right product to private label to sell on your store is, of course, if there is any data to show that the market is interested in that product. So this is one of my favorite ways to determine if a product is a good product to sell. So I always run my products through different tests to give me information as to the likelihood of a product succeeding. So one of my favorite ways to actually test products is to use Google Trends to search trends and find which countries are searching for what type of products, and to get all the possible data that I could get on a product before I go ahead and private label that product. And even when I'm working with clients, this is exactly what I do. If I'm trying to find products to give to you guys as ideas, that's the exact steps I go through. So I always use different analytical tools to give me information to back up my claim about a product. And if the information is good and it supports the product, then I go right ahead and move to the next step, or I go ahead and private label that product to sell. So you want to make sure that the data actually supports the product that you want to sell to the market. You have to make sure that the market have some interest in that product, and you use that information to help you to decide if a product is a good product to sell. The third way to know if you're choosing the right product to sell on your Shopify store is if that product have any competitive advantages. So you want to make sure that you do thorough competitive analysis to identify any competitive advantages that your product might have in the marketplace. So a very easy way to analyze competitive advantages is to go to Amazon. So Amazon is one of the largest marketplaces, and especially if you're selling in the Western world, you want to make sure that you go to Amazon, have a look around, type the product that you are interested in, and look at the different options that are available on Amazon. Look at the pricing and look at the different variations to see if there's any unique selling points that your products that you are interested in have over the top selling products on Amazon. So some of the things that you want to look for, as I mentioned earlier, could be the price, the different colors, the different sizes, different add-ons of a product variation. So you want to make sure that your product have something about it that sets it apart from the competitors on Amazon. And if you can find something that is a little bit unique, then this may be a good product for you to go ahead and private label to sell on your store. Okay, so before I get into the last segment of this video, I just wanted to get in here and say thank you so much for watching this video so far. And I highly recommend that if you're serious about starting your own e-commerce brand and business, that you become a member of my private group. I'm going to be leaving a link to that in the video description below. In that private group, you will get access to every single thing you need to start your own private label brand and business within 30 days. Okay, so the fourth and final thing I want to talk to you about in this video, as it relates to knowing if you're choosing the right product to private label to sell on your Shopify store, has to do with marketing. So as I've mentioned in some of my previous videos, e-commerce is 90% marketing. So once you've found a good product and you have your website set up, it's all about marketing. So you have to know that you will be able to market that product properly before you go ahead and choose that product. And marketing takes a lot of different things in consideration. How will you be able to market this product? Will you be able to find the right influencers for this product? Will you have the budget needed to market that type of product? These are just some of the questions that you will have to ask yourself about a product before you go ahead and private label that product. If you're not able to answer these questions, if you know that deep down you will not be able to market that product properly, maybe it's too expensive of a product and it's going to take up too much of your budget to get that product, not leaving you with any money to market that product, then that may not be the best product. It may have good data to suggest that it's a great product to sell, but if you don't have a marketing budget left after you acquire that product, then of course it may not be the best possible product for you to choose to private label and to sell. So you want to make sure that any product you're choosing to private label to sell on your store, you will be able to market it properly in order to be able to make sales so you can reinvest in your business to scale and grow your business. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That is exactly how you know if you're choosing the right product to private label to sell on your Shopify store. What was your favorite part of this video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and get subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.